In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create analytics report in Freshsales Crm. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Freshsales. Find the analytics icon. It looks like a small bar chart. Click that icon to open the analytics area, where you can view and build reports based on your CRM data. This is the section you will use whenever you need visibility into performance, pipelines, or activity trends. Once you are in analytics, go to the top right corner of the page and click the New Report button. This opens a new report setup screen where you will define what the report is and what it shows. Next, enter a report name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the report, because good naming makes it easier to find later and helps other teammates understand what they are looking at. For example, you might reference the metric and the time frame in the name if that matches what you are building. Now it is time to add your data visualization. Click Add Widget. A widget is the way the report displays data, and you can choose different formats depending on what you need to communicate. If you choose Chart, start by selecting the metric you want to measure, such as deals. Then choose a group by field, such as owner, so the chart breaks the metric into meaningful categories. This is helpful for comparisons, like seeing results by rep, by stage, or by source, depending on what you select. If you choose Table instead, you can focus on details rather than a visual summary. Use Show Underlying Data to view the records behind the numbers and add specific columns that you want included in the table. This works well when you need a list you can scan, validate, or review for follow-up. After the widget is set, apply filters to refine the data. Filters let you narrow results based on criteria such as status, owner, or a specific time frame. Taking a moment to set the right filters keeps the report accurate and prevents unrelated records from skewing your results. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to store the report. And that covers everything you need to know.